Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. My name is Elena Shi and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's a good day. We are here, I and my husband. We are building a chicken coop. Yeah, we have been building it since early morning, not early morning, since in the morning. Acheni kelele. Tulieni kwanza. Tulieni basi. I want this is Shanice and her friend. I want them to keep quite fast for a minute. So as I was telling you, what was I saying? Yeah, thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for the love you have been showing us. Keep supporting me and I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted. I know it's kind of dark, but my husband just went to the other side. I'm waiting for him to come here, then we continue building this chicken coop. Keep tuned in, don't go anywhere. Wait until you see the final result. I don't want to show you, it's right here. Yeah, but you haven't finished. Wait until I finish. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much. Keep tuned here. Let's wait for him just for a 5 minutes. He'll be here. Guys, I'm back, but let me just remove this cape because I see where we are working from. There is no sun, at least today. I'm hanging it here. There is no sun. I was hanging the cap there. Now we want to fix this mesh wire to this area because we want the hens to get fresh air. Because this area where we live, as I said and I keep repeating, it's very, very warm. Yeah, let me set this camera like that. So all this area will be open.
You need another pole like this one.
There.
Yeah.
That one will not work.
No, it's going to bed. No, we want it to be straight with this left.
Is there any other one remaining? Okay. That one.
Also have this
Yeah, that one is better. What about you use just the one that is full? After the third in half.
This one is okay.
How will you want a half? From here to there. If that is the case, we can cut the remaining piece here.
We are just going to knock the wire here and here. That's okay.
Are you sure? It will work?
Yeah.
Why don't we use just the one that is good? Yeah. Or it's big? I could wish we do it just perfect with the one remaining there.
Okay.
We just do something perfect. You know I'm the manager, don't forget that. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I can cut. Where is the panga? I'm also a hard man, so the work of cutting is mine. The sun is too hot. That's the problem with me. Let me put the camera on that side. I'm trying to fix the camera. So, you got the outfit? Kwenye mkuu naweka ile mapi yako mimi nitakaoka na panga hapa, so hata ni hapa hapa hapa
Hapa kwenye umeweka hiyo kidole nyuma.
hapa si hapa iko straight ni hapa nikata huko
Tena kwa mlango. Yeah.
Msumari pigwa wapi? sauce imeweka kwa point hapa. Naenda nimeshika hapo. Nipidulie kamera. The problem is this panga. It's very blunt, very. I don't know. It's like it cuts metals or something. You see?
Give me it.
Yeah. With your blunt panga.
Get the hammer.
Oh, I'm almost sweating. Need to check it first. Oh my God. It's not an easy job. It's very, very tough. Iko tu sawa. Ama ni refu sana. To cut the one.
Chonga hii side.
Haya, umepiga.
Kuchonga tukipea hivi.
Mkuingia ingi. Oh. It's not getting inside there, so you need to make it more smaller. Como isso? Hii kidondo aliangalie chini. Ndio kupigia wao.
Ya kofia.
Iko? I think it needs to look down because of the wire. What do you think? Well, we just cut it. Yeah, it's better that way.
60 meter nail.
Yeah. Which one?
No, behind you.
Ni nini?
Pipi.
Umekula? Yaani
Nilichangamsha tu.
ini.
Hizo ni equipment.
What is it for? I'm asking who.
But you are a technician, you can tell us.
No, I'm not. I'm not a technician.
This
I'm a
is
fake
just a
one.
screwdriver for
Looking
opening
like
small
it.
nuts.
Why is it like bigger?
Bigger holes. It's so compacted.
No, it's big. The other ones are just tiny one. Why is it
To avoid the electricity shock.
actually the other ones are not big like this. They are tiny like this finger. That's why I'm asking why.
I don't know.
Oh, on the other side. Hey, I was like, maybe today we could carry the stones. They are behind here in the kitchen side where I always show you the pumpkin, but oh, you're getting tired. I think today we started the old place. And now the last one.
Put the wire now.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Just leave it, please. This is what I want to show you.
It's supposed to face this way, not this way. Oh,
It's all the same.
that side it will give us a hard time.
I want that. I want, you know, it has already allowed the step here. So instead of touching when you are there, just when it is rolled. Okay. Then you put half of it when it is rolled.
Drop it down on that side. Okay, hold on. I show you before you do that.
Yes.
Let's measure so that you not put so much there. Yeah, you see like here, it's not enough. Don't put so much. It's okay for this side.
And we start knocking
Yeah,
there.
exactly. That's what I was to tell you.
You can put a temporary nail here.
Just one. But you remove it.
Yeah.
That's double.
No.
Come here and do it. I go there and.
Are you sure? Just for holding it.
You know why I was telling you to make it face on the other side? You see how this is? How you do have the iron sheets here. You see?
You wanted it to face,
On the other side.
but you can massage it. Right?
Just fix it. Don't put it because of the knee.
You need to pull it a bit up. That one is okay. You know, I'm using these ones because
you just put very few because you use the heavy side, the iron sheets.
yeah.
On top is the
You know
one
that's why
iron.
I'm using the ones
They are here.
I want. I want these ones, the one that you cannot put on.
Okay.
You know, you cannot put this one on the
Yeah.
iron.
Mhm.
You don't have a cape.
Sure. La misión.
Hajaribu kupigia. Precious.
That is kind of true. How many?
Give me 3 first. It's going inside. Let it. Hapo panda juu ikuonyesha. Ndio nikusaidie. Nivurute hii juu. Upige. Kanyanga tu hapo. Kanyanga nikuonyesha. People to pull it up. Hapo hujavuruta. Wachilia wala inaacha kujipinda hapo. So tukiweka hivi better.
Not easy. Time for iron sheet.
I was thinking because inside there are some irons that are a bit torn here between. Can you put them here? Or
But
just
they are tiered.
yeah.
They are tiered. Or you check them. They are tiered. Oh, there is one left to do.
I don't know.
They are tiered. You can go and check. They were left there because they could not work. Maybe for a fence.
What of this one?
This one, okay. You can check the one inside.
Let me check. They are like this.
More than that. Majority are even worse.
But we still have some irons there.
But I think the rust one, the rust will we will flip the iron sheet to the other side. Let it face them. It's looking very bad.
Oh, you want to put?
Yeah. All.
But if you look upside down, let's put just the other way because of uniformity.
This one has lasted a lot, very much. Usiniangushie. Naona hii imerasta sana kushinda zingine. Ama kuna zingine nzuri, use others if you have good ones. Yeah, you can use these ones.
See?
Zieke maji. The dogs, they want water, but the good thing, we don't use that water in the kitchen. It's for the watering plants. Yeah, you want to take the iron sheet. Yeah, this one now is good. And one day we will paint these iron sheets. Hey, and we will cut a good iron sheet. We will cut a good one. And you know
But
there.
we are building something good.
I know, but it will not get used the remaining part. That's what I mean.
I want to check whether, you know, when
It
you
will
cut
not
here,
fit here.
this is where we are building.
No, you can't cut here because of the nail. You cut from here.
Okay.
Now, this one will not fit anywhere here. So to go to another. That's what I was saying. Or we can just put the orange like this by the way.
No.
Why?
It is not. They won't use it.
This side we do the same on the top.
On
Yeah.
the top, but just look at the bottom. Right?
It's okay for me. I could just have done like that to avoid the waste. This one will be enough.
But
Then we
now-
add a tiny one there.
But now the problem is, when you put this one like this, there is
Not
no,
even enough. Okay.
There is
So
no.
it's okay. I thought it could fit.
It can't fit.
Okay.
For me, please.
What?
The bucket. You remove.
Oh.
Thank you.
So guys, we are trying to figure it out. So we need to cut one iron sheet. Not even 3 of them.
You should cut one because I don't know whether the level is the same.
I'm saying we need 3 of them there. Or the space is 4. Not to 3 of them.
Is it here? Here.
Yeah, I don't know. The other one. The other one.
This one.
On top. This one. Here. This
to
one.
be here.
Oh, sorry. needed a break for porridge. We are so tired. 2 masons. Is it 2 masons or 2 carpenters? We are taking porridge. I had to go cook first porridge and lunch. Now we are heading somewhere because when you look this side, we're almost there. It's only this one remaining here. Then the door. Then later we need to add more materials to come and you see we had already put this post here because we want to partition into 2. So here we will have a small door to get to enter on the other side. Yeah, that's how it will be. This is the main entrance, then a small entrance to the other side. Yeah, I think it will work like that. Then on this old chicken coop, let me show you this one. We also planning to partition it here, but we just put another wall here like that. Let me check the eggs. There are 2 already, and I corrected the other 2. The other one. So here we will partition into 2. Then the next thing is to cement. Yeah, so keep tuned here. We have a long way to go. We are planning to cement so that it will be to sweep, because like right now you see we don't sweep here. There were so many big rocks and now they are like stuck together because of the fierces, the Pope. But now when we cement, we will be sweeping at least. We will be getting manure here. So keep tuned as we finish the last one. But for the doors and the partitioning, we'll do it maybe on Monday because tomorrow is on a Sunday. But we can buy material tomorrow evening, then work on it on Monday. Yeah, because there are no more rafters. Yeah, the rafters are over, so we need to add more to partition and make the door here. For the door, I think the rafters will work also because the timber are very expensive. Or we can buy 2 timbers.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We can buy maybe
2 timbers.
2.
Or maybe you see this size. You see this size?
Yeah.
Yeah, they can work for the door to make a beautiful door. That's what I was thinking. The hinges and what else? The hinges and
I don't know how this one is called in English.
It's called, I think, I forgot the name also. So that's what we need to finish. From there is cementing.
Yeah.
And adding more what are they called, the containers to feed on, and the ones for the
drinkers.
Yeah.
Then we are going maybe to construct some boxes for laying, or we cut
for the laying. That's what I'm saying. We will use the same as the one we are using here.
We are going to cut
that is the easier, because that these are the ones that we will cut. The one that is with water, we will cut them.
We have a nylon sheet there up. A small one. A very small one.
No, you are forgetting this area is very warm, very hot. You know, I'm the one who have been staying here the whole day.
Okay.
I know how these hands suffer from the heat. So for me, I wanted to remain the way it is open. Even the door, it will be open on one side. They suffer a lot because of heat. So we are not adding anything. Even on the other side of the top,
we can add the wire on top because of maybe mogus.
Exactly, the wire, but not the iron sheets.
Yeah. The iron sheets, no.
We can add a wire or maybe another rafter. Or
we are going to add
maybe a mesh wire. You see, these are like this one. Where is it? The one that is on this side, or it's on the other side. Those soft ones.
It's a bit cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap and it is easier to fix there. That one, it's not a must to use the nails. You can just fix it to avoid the mugus from coming here.
Yeah, sure.
Just to avoid that. So guys, we are finishing. keep here. I'm finishing my polish so that we finish with the last one. I love this cup so much. Most of the time you'll find me with this cup. I take it, I use it to take water, I use it to take tea, but mostly not tea, water, coffee, and now porridge, you see, and sometimes tea also. I love it. It's not a cup, by the way, it's a thermos. It has a cup. Is it cups? Yeah, kifuniko. They want to cover on top. It's a thermos. It keeps things hot, hot things hot. It doesn't cool. So I'm setting this camera here. Just fix the last one. Can you just get him inside? You see? It's done. Must be on the other side. Supposed to be. The dogs are out. Food yamechoka. You have done a good job. Finally, we have finished. I think for me, I have a lot of things to do. Shan. We are remaining with these now chicken coop to partition, and the other one cement them with the door. And that will be a deal done. Yeah, so thank you so much for supporting me. If you have been watching this video from the start to the end, thank you so much. I don't take your love for granted. I'm going to this side because of the noise. Yeah, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting this family by watching my videos, liking, subscribing, and even sharing. I really appreciate. Let's keep the ADs. Yeah, so thank you so much. See you again on the next video. And as I told you, if you are joining the premiere or you are new here, hey Lexi is here. Sniffe ran away. We had opened them to go Coop, but I had to be very careful with. Immediately he was done, I took him back because of the kids, but Sniffe is running out there. She'll be back soon. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Bye bye for now.